When the machine is packed and shipped, we will lower the main spindle because of the height limitation. It's come down like this. So when it arrives in your factory, what you need to do is after you unwrap everything, you need to navigate the spindle to go up. Just press for like 3 seconds. Okay, not too much because okay, this is probably enough. 够了吧? This is enough, yeah. Because you don't want this whole thing to go out of the range. Otherwise, it's going to cause problem. So yeah, as soon as it stick up like that, it's okay. So yeah, because this is easier for installing the panel. We in the next video we will climb up here to show you how to make the machine, how to install the machine. Dear customer, here we go. We are up on top of the machine, and what we need to do is to put everything back to the way it is before the packaging and the shipping. Okay, now we 看到吗？看到这2个螺丝，你弄，取下来，掉了。Sorry, one drop. 扶起来这2个洞。Okay. Now we need to 锁那2个孔，加个那2个孔。put this metal case back to the place. Okay, the reason we do this, as I explained in the previous video, is because the machine is too tall. It's not very good for shipping, and it wastes a lot of space in the container. It's bad for business, so we have to do this. It's a necessary step. 这装完就好了是吧？这样就好了。还有一个感应器。还有一个什么？感应器留着。感应放这里，这里。Okay. Now we have a sensor. Usually we put it right here. The sensor. We need to put the sensor back to here, to this space. 这装完就好了是吧？对。要检查吗？跟他说一下这个距离。大概螺丝在这个，它不是有一个 U 型孔吗？在这个U 型孔的中间。螺丝在中间。对。这感应器不是一个 U 型孔吗？感应器是个 U 型孔。走到中间就 OK。Okay. Yeah. So about the position, the screws should be in the middle of the U-shaped hole. Okay. And looking like this. 我会检查一下。检查什么？你把它伸上来，它里面有个铁片的嘛，然后感应这个。OK。感应的这个感应器的嘛，我把它伸上来，你看是吧？要拍吗？我把它伸上来，你先跟他讲一下。OK. So the sensor is for it's a plate here. See, the light is on because 就是这个那一块小黑片是吧？ Because there's a little tiny black piece. It's to trigger the sensor. 就是为了防止升太高是吗？ That sensor is to prevent the spindle to go way too high, to go too much. Okay, so this is important. Okay, it's very important. This is how it looks like after it's finished. Okay. Thank you.